Now let's look at this program. In this particular instance, I'm asking the users to enter his birth year. The user enters his birth year, then I get the current year. I want to know what year is today. Then I want to subtract. I want to take my current year, subtract from the birth year. That's going to give me the age of the user. So let's run this, and let's say the user enters the year of the birth is, let's say, 1980. All right, so enter. And so your age is 25. That's because the current year is 2025. So the difference between 1980 and 2025 is 45. Now, in this particular instance, this program is going to print morning, good morning, or good afternoon, or good evening, depending on at what time you run this program. So let's run this, and what it does is going to check what time the program is being run. If your hours is less than 12, it's going to print out good morning. If your hour is less than 18, it's going to print out good afternoon. Otherwise, it's going to print good evening. And as you can see, it's printing out good morning because hours is less than 12. Now in this instance, I'm creating a log file. So I'm adding a timestamp to the log file. So anytime when the log file are created, you have to put some kind of timestamp so you know when that event happened. So create a now instance first. Then let's say I create my file name as log file, and then you specify the name of the file in that time format. So in this case, I'm using strf time. Okay, then I'm writing some data. So I'm opening up my log file, which is, let's say this is my file name. So I'm opening up the file name in a write mode, and then I'm creating a time instance. And I'm saying my time is going to be in this format, %m forward slash %d forward slash %y in this particular format. And then I'm writing some simple message over here saying, I'm using, by the way, f string, and then I'm specifying what message to write, caught, system, shutting down. And let's run this. So after I run this, and if I go back to my directory, you're going to see that file. That is, let's see, that would be somewhere over here. Yep, that's this file. You can see this. This is the file that just got created right here. So this line right here, file name now.strf created this file. And the content of this file is this right here. And let me just move this somewhere over here so you can see that, compare it side to side. There you go. So let me minimize this, and there you go. Okay, so now you can see it printed out this date like m month forward slash day forward slash year. It prints out in that format right here, and then the hours. You see that comma hours, and then it prints out this message right here. This message is this one right here.